Is Nano Dimension stock a buy? Should I buy Nano Dimension stock? Why does Nano Dimension have a bearish technical rating? Is that a buy indicator? So let's have a quick look and digest what's going on with Nano Dimension technically. Nano Dimension appears to be correcting within a long-term bullish trend, although its MACD is presently below the signal line. Shares remain 180.5% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. Comparatively related strength analysis shows this issue is outperforming the S&P 500. So we can see the long-term 200-day moving average is upward sloping. This is the 50-day; it's equally steep. The 20-day quite short term as well, it's also steep. The 10-day is also steep, but if you look up here, it's starting to lose momentum. It has tipped over. We'll get more from this chart here. You can see the relative strength analysis. It's no longer in the overbought territory, even it has slightly inched up. It has lost momentum from the indication of the price rate of change. As a matter of fact, it has inched even downwards. You can see at some point it was over 200%. Now we're talking about 28.7%. So this might be the reason for the technical rating it has. Momentum for Nano Dimension, as measured by the 14 period slow stochastic oscillator, is waning. Definitely, we just saw that now. This means that investors are less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits in positions bought at lower prices. So this is the closest indication of momentum. This is the price drop change. So it is waning from what we have to spread out now. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that the long-term accumulation is giving way to near-term selling pressure by traders. The Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied recent price move. Events such as this may precede a pause or reversal in the near-term trend. So let's quickly have a look at the options pit here, and we can see we've been able to, ignoring what is going to happen, the open interests for this month, December, which are going to expire in 3 days. We've now been able to find the volume, the total number of open interests. These are the interests that are this are the contracts that are either held by a market participant, and indicating that there might be somebody who will buy them. So we have been able to find out that the total number of the open interest from January 2021 to May 2021 is 92,787,000 contracts, and that implies we're talking about up to 9.2 million shares, because each contract is 100. So when you multiply that 92,787, you're getting 9.278 million shares. But in case of puts, we have 67,572. So on the call side, on the option side of things, market participants are by far more bullish. They are by far more bullish. So returning back here to the charts, we can just quickly conclude that yes, going by the fundamentals and the fact that the volatility is not as much as it was before, and some market participants are selling off, I think it presents a good buying opportunity. I think you know we can even see that there is a small amount of short interest here, which represents about 7.2 million shares, and going by that price, it's about 42 million, or call it $43 million in the sidelines. I would say yes. In the near term, I think Nano Dimension is a buy. The stock is a buy. It has pulled back from its highs of $7 and some fraction, which happened in the early this month. As a matter of fact, it has pulled back from that, and it's even currently below its 10-day moving average. So I think it's a buy for now, But you also have to be careful as well, because some of the market participants who bought at higher price, at lower prices, may also try and be to sell out. Okay, so I think it's a buy for now. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you already subscribed, thank you very much for watching.